Hello, friends. In this video, we will add a comments section to this page. For this, we'll use the Disqus blog comment service. Simply go to Google and search for Disqus. Click on the first result. If you don't already have an account, I recommend watching our tutorial on how to create one. The link to that video is in the description below. Once you have an account, log in and select the Publishers option. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, click on Add a new site. In the input field, enter a unique name for your website. Select a category. Choose an organization. Then, click Create Site. As you can see, these are the platforms where Disqus comments can be integrated. For our case, we'll select the option to manually install it. Here is the code we need to use. Copy the entire code snippet. Paste it into the appropriate location in your project. Next, uncomment this function and define the page URL and page identifier. Once you're done, save the file. Now, let's test it. As you can see, after refreshing the page, the Disqus comments block has been added. Let's post our first comment. As you can see, the comment has been created successfully. After refreshing the page, the comment is still displayed. Let's try selecting another post. Instead of writing a comment, you can also use these emoji reactions. As you can see, after refreshing the page, the selected reaction is still saved. Friends, I hope you've learned how to integrate Disqus comments into your Laravel project. See you in the next video.